konnichiwa! Welcome to Japanese Foodies with Janice. Today, let's cook a Japanese seafood dish called Sake-Steamed Clams. Or in Japanese, we call it Asari Sakamushi. It is a dish consisting of clams steamed in the Japanese cooking sake. Sake is a rice wine. It brings out the tasty flavor from clams. I give a simple twist to this dish by adding broccoli, tomatoes, and taco. Taco is an octopus. Okay, so if you don't have an octopus, you can use a squid instead, or you can add shrimp to add a more tasty flavor. Sometimes we taste or bite on the sand while eating our clams. So in this video, I'll show you how to clean and purge out the sand from the clams. To know more about Japanese cooking, please subscribe to my channel, Japanese Foodies with Janice. I'll be happy to bring Japanese recipes to your kitchen. So don't forget to like, share, and comment. I'll be happy to hear from you. Okay? So stick around and let's get started. Before we cook the clams, let's clean them thoroughly. Let the clams spit out the sand by soaking them in water for 30 minutes or more. In a bowl, put 1 teaspoon salt. Add tap or cold water. Add asari or clams, soak, and set aside for 30 minutes or more. For the meantime, let's steam broccoli in a salted water for 5 minutes and set aside. Then scrub clam shells with water to clean them up. Wash asari with running water and drain. Then what's gurimasho? In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add minced garlic. Switch on the stove. Cook over medium heat. When the garlic's aroma comes out, add asari and fry quickly. Add steamed broccoli. Add tomatoes. Then the boiled taco or octopus. If you don't have it, you can use squid or shrimp instead. Let's add 100 ml water, 50 ml sake, and 1 teaspoon chicken broth or torigara soup nomoto. Let's cover and steam for 2 minutes. The clams have opened up. It means they are cooked through. Let's have a taste.
And lastly, add green onions or aonegi.
That's it! It's done! It's ready! 盛り付けてみましょう。出来上がり。Before serving, drizzle with olive oil. Thanks for watching! ご覧いただきありがとうございました。